Hello, today we talk about Arifku Spa. If you hear this news, you'll be sure to go to Arifku Spa. Let's start off about Arifku Spa information. It was discovered by a priest 1350 years ago. From then on, both local people and tourists are attached to it. Arifku Spa is one of the most famous hot springs in Hamada City. In the Arifku Spa, there are three famous hot springs. These are Onzen-yu, Satsuki-yu, Geyo-yu. Also, there is restaurant, cafe, souvenir shop in Arifku Spa. Their admission fee is all 300 yen. It's very cheap. Moreover, you can feel relaxed and have fair skin in Arifku Spa. I told you about outline of Arifku Spa. Next, I will talk about traditional entrance in Japanese spa. This picture is the inside of Arifku Spa. There is a head clerk in watchstand who is called Banto-san. A watchstand is in a good position for watching a men's section and women's section of a bathhouse. Also, there is a short curtain hung at the entrance of a bathroom because shut out the cold.
Yoko told you about traditional entrance. Next, I will talk about souvenir of Arifku Spa. This picture is souvenir shop in Arifku. There are many kinds of sweets. For example, some steamed buns, rice crackers, candy, and rice cakes. We bought rice cakes, cookies, and eclairs. These were very tasty.
We went to Arifku Spa by bike. It takes 30 minutes from the University of Shimane. We recommend you go to Arifku Spa. Today's narration was
Aya and
Yoko.
Thank you. Bye bye.